Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Myself, Shweta Singla. Today I will teach you exercise 3rd B of chapter Compound Interest. Already we have done up to question number 5. Now we will do question number 6. Question number 6. Simple interest on a sum of money for 2 years at 4% is rupees 450. Find the compound interest on the same sum at the same rate for 2 years. In this question, we have two cases. In first case, we will find out the simple interest. We have simple interest is rupees 450 time 2 years, rate is 4%. Find the principal SI into 100 upon T into R. Now we will put the values in the formula. Cut the values. So we have principal is 5625. Now in second case, find the compound interest on the same sum. Same sum is principal is 5625. Same rate. Rate is 4%. Time is 2 years. Find out the compound interest. Now apply the formula for compound interest. P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n minus 1. Now put the values in the formula. Cancel the values. Now we have this value. Take the LCM. Take the squares. Take the LCM. Now we have this value. Left value is, after cancelling the left value is 9 into 51. That is 459. That is your compound interest for rupees 459. You will understand this question. Now we will do next question. Question number 7. Simple interest on a certain sum of money for 4 years at 4% per annum exceed the compound interest on the same sum for 3 years at 5% per annum by 228. Find the sum. Again this question, we have two parts. Question number 7. First part is simple interest. For simple interest, we have time 4 years, rate 4%. We have to find the sum, means principal. Let P is equal to rupees X. Simple interest, put the formula P into R into T upon 100. Now put the values. After cancelling the values, we have simple interest 4x upon 25. Now for second case, for compound interest. Compound interest on the same sum means principal is same, X, time is 3 years, rate is 5%. Find out the compound interest. Again apply the formula for compound interest. 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n minus 1. Px 1 plus 5 upon 100, 3 minus 1. Cancel the values. Take the LCM. Again take the LCM. Now we have this compound interest. But in question we have given that simple interest exceed the compound interest is 228. So according to question, simple interest minus compound interest is equal to rupees 228. Now put the values. 4x upon 25 minus 1261 upon 8000 is 228. Take the LCM. 8000 4x into 320. Solve the values. Find out the value for x. So your required sum is 96,000. Now we will start our next question, number 9. A certain sum of money amount to rupees 23,400 in 3 years at 10% per annum simple interest. Find the amount of the same sum in 2 years and at 10% per annum compound interest. Certain sum of money amount to this. Now in first case, amount is given rupees 23,400 time 3 years, rate 10%. Let principal is rupees x. So apply the formula for simple interest. Put the values. We have given the amount. So apply the formula for amount. Take the LCM. Values, we will get the principal rupees 18,000. Now for second case, principal is rupees 18,000 time 2 years, rate is 10%. Apply the formula for amount. Put the values. Now solve the bracket, taking the LCM. Now therefore required amount is rupees 21,780. That is your answer. We will understand this question. Now we will do next question of our exercise. This is your last question, question number 10. Mohit borrowed a certain sum at 5% per annum compound interest and cleared this loan by paying rupees 12,600 at the end of first year and rupees 17,640 at the end of second year. Find the sum borrowed. Sum borrowed means we have to find the principal. Here again we have two cases. For first case, if rupees, for first case, for rupees 12,600. If amount is rupees 12,600, rate is 5%, time is 1 year. Apply the formula. Put the value. Solve the bracket. After taking the LCM, we have this term 21 upon 20. Now find out the principal. This is your principal for first case. Now we will find out the principal for rupees 17,640. For this amount is rupees 17,640. Rate is 5%. Time is 2 years. Now again apply the formula. Put the values in the formula. After cancel the terms, we have this term. Now solve the bracket. After taking the LCM, we have this term. Solve the squares. Find out the principal. So required sum borrowed. We will add these two principals for these 2 years. 12,000 plus 16,000. This is your answer, 28,000. I hope all of you are understand these questions. So your homework from this exercise 3rd B, complete question 6 to 10. Okay, thank you everybody.